Number 1. The 1973 Plymouth Satellite, priced at $3,200, located in Othie, Kansas. This is a restoration project that requires significant attention. The 225 CI Slant 6 engine with a 3-speed manual transmission still runs well. Although only 13,000 units were produced that year, its current condition is far from perfect. The trunk floor and rear frame rails are severely damaged by rust and need replacement, though the rest of the frame and floors remain fairly solid. Originally painted in JY6 Golden Haze metallic gold with a white vinyl top, the car was repainted a few years ago. The interior is still decent, though it needs some minor repairs. The tires were replaced a few years ago and are still in good condition, with approximately 132,000 miles. This could be an interesting winter project to restore to its former glory or used as a parts donor. Number 2. The 1973 Dodge Dart Swinger, priced at $8,500, located in Turlock, California. This Slant 6-powered car retains its original paint. The interior is in excellent condition with no tears, featuring brown seats that match the gold exterior. However, there are some issues: a non-functional odometer and fuel gauge, as well as a cracked dashboard. The car comes with a clean title and registration, which is paid until 2025. Rust is minimal or nearly non-existent, making it a solid driver. The current owner is the third owner, and the car has been well cared for over the years. The exterior stands out with a black vinyl top, signature taillights, and a solid body design. Overall, this is a well-maintained Dodge Dart Swinger needing only minor fixes. Number 3. The 1965 AMC Rambler Ambassador, priced at $6,000, located in Reno, Nevada. This project car is drivable, powered by a 287 V8 engine that runs well. The seller is also offering a complete 327 V8 engine for free if the buyer wants it. The transmission has been refurbished with new bushing seals and a clutch pack. The body is overall solid, with minor rust visible on door panels and the hood. The interior needs attention, especially the front seats, which show wear, and the dashboard, which looks aged. The rear cargo area is spacious, though the floor is worn and needs repair. The hood shows some wear on the underside, but the engine bay is clean and well maintained. The car includes various extra parts such as trim pieces, a grille, a spare dashboard, and roof rack components. The seller is open to the best offer, with over $6,000 already invested in repairs. Number 4. The 1965 Dodge Dart, priced at $6,500, located in Las Vegas, Nevada. This car features a 273 V8 4-barrel Edelbrock engine and a 3-speed automatic transmission. The exterior has been wrapped in black liquid wrap by Ghost Customs in 2024, giving it a modern aggressive look. It has been modified with custom headers and side exhaust, producing a deep aggressive sound. The wheel hubs have been adapted to a 5AC 4.5 bolt pattern, and it has been upgraded with front disc brakes from a Dodge Dakota V8. The suspension has been refreshed with new shocks, and the front tires are also new. The engine features several upgrades, including an Edelbrock Performer intake, a new camshaft and lifters, and a PowerMaster internally regulated alternator. The ignition system still uses a stock distributor without HEI, so an electronic Chrysler ignition system is recommended for better performance. The car is drivable with 127,000 miles on the odometer. Number 5. The 1970 Buick Skylark, priced at $7,700, located in Taunton, Massachusetts. This car is running and drivable, though it needs some repairs and restoration. The exterior is green with 2 white stripes on the hood, and while it appears intact, there are signs of wear and rust, particularly in the trunk area, which shows corrosion and dirt buildup. The interior is in decent condition, featuring black leather seats, but the headliner needs replacement, which is included by the seller. The V8 engine under the hood has some aftermarket components such as red spark plug wires and an open air intake filter. The car has manual steering but includes a power steering box ready for installation. This is an affordable classic that can be improved while still being drivable. Number 6. The 1975 Oldsmobile Cutlass SS, priced at $4,500, located in Sparks, Nevada. This is a project car with solid restoration potential. The body is solid with original red paint, though it has faded over time, and some areas need attention, particularly the trim and chrome details. There are no major dents or rust, which is a huge plus for a classic like this. The white interior is mostly intact, featuring sporty swivel bucket seats, though some parts, like the dashboard, need restoration. The engine is not original. It currently has a 260 V8 that runs but needs basic maintenance, such as new spark plugs, wires, hoses, and fluid refresh. The car has great potential for an engine swap, such as a big block or LS, making it a great project for classic car enthusiasts. While the car is drivable, the owner recommends towing it for long distances. Priced low or best offer, this is a rare opportunity to own a Cutlass SS, which is becoming increasingly hard to find. Number 7. The 1966 Ford Thunderbird, priced at $6,500, located in Medford, Oregon. This car has been modified with a lowered suspension, making it a stylish cruiser. Its condition falls somewhere between a usable driver and a restoration project. The exterior paint is still decent, but there are some rough areas, particularly on the hood, and some rust on the rear panels. The roof is quite worn. The interior remains original, featuring green seats that need attention, though most missing parts are stored in the trunk. The engine is a 390 cubic inch Edelbrock with a carburetor and automatic transmission, still running well. The car has a new braking system, including a new master cylinder and calipers, as well as new Cooper tires. All power windows and wind wings are functional, and the stereo works. However, the interior needs further restoration. While far from perfect, this Thunderbird still offers an enjoyable driving experience and a cool look. Number 8. The 1995 GMC G2500 van, priced at $5,000, located in Grandview, Missouri. This is a classic van that underwent a full restoration a few years ago. The exterior still looks great with a blue and beige color combination, and the body appears solid. Under the hood, it has been upgraded with a high-performance 383-stroker engine, producing over 300 HP, complete with roller rocker cams and lifters, delivering powerful performance and a distinctive sound. The steering, suspension, and brakes have been updated, ensuring a smoother and more stable ride. The interior is in excellent condition, with comfortable front seats and a spacious cargo area featuring wood paneling on the sides. All window seals and door locks are like new, and the van comes with new tires and a full gas tank. However, the heating system has been bypassed by a previous owner, possibly due to a heater core leak, and has not been repaired since the engine swap. This van is ready to go and comes with a clean NV title. The current owner is selling it because it is no longer being used for transporting dirt bikes. Besides selling, the owner is open to trades for an American V8 sports car, a Jeep Wrangler, or a cruiser motorcycle. Number 9. The 1971 Oldsmobile Delta 88, priced at $9,000, located in Fairburn, Georgia. This classic convertible is powered by an Oldsmobile 455 V8 that still runs and drives. The body is overall solid, with no floor rust and only minimal surface rust. The interior needs a full restoration, including seats, carpeting, and the dashboard, which shows signs of heavy wear. The convertible top also needs repair or replacement, but all hardware for the top mechanism is still intact. The paint needs refreshing as it appears dull with some scratches and blemishes. A key highlight of this car is that it is a factory-built convertible, not a modification. It does not have a title, only a bill of sale, so buyers should check registration requirements in their state. The car has documented maintenance records dating back to the early 1990s, indicating it has been well cared for. The seller is open to serious offers, including cash trade-ins with additional money or straight trades. If unsold, the owner plans to keep and restore it personally. Number 10. The 1980 Chevrolet Love, priced at $4,500, located in Oakley, California. This compact truck is in decent overall condition with a straight body and no rust. All body panels are original, and the bed has been modified with a tilt system, though it operates on H hinges instead of hydraulics. The truck runs a reliable Isuzu engine equipped with an aftermarket Weber carburetor and a new air filter, though the original carburetor and filter are included. The exterior was repainted black, but some areas show signs of wear. This truck is fully operational with no mechanical issues, making it road-ready. Unfortunately, it has no title but does come with a bill of sale. The current owner acquired it through a trade for a trailer and initially planned to give it to a nephew, but since the nephew does not drive a manual transmission, the truck is now available for sale or trade. The seller is open to trades for vehicles or heavy equipment, such as a Harley, tractor loader, skip loader, large boat, or motorhome. Number 11. The 1961 Chevy C10, priced at $11,000, located in Boise, Idaho. This panel truck is in good condition with many repairs and upgrades already completed. It runs a 350 small block Chevy SBC engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission. The engine runs well, though it still needs carburetor tuning, despite having a new Edelbrock carburetor. The chassis is from a 1965 model, featuring torsion bar front suspension, coil spring rear suspension, and a Ford 9-inch rear differential for durability. The gas tank has been relocated to the rear with an electric fuel pump installed. The truck was repainted with a single-stage paint job and includes new front and rear bumpers, new wheels, and new tires. The interior has also been updated, featuring a new gauge cluster, new carpet, a new windshield, a reupholstered bench seat, and new weather stripping. This classic panel truck is nearly road-ready and may be considered for trade for another vehicle. Number 12. The 1964 Cadillac Fleetwood, priced at $5,000, located in McPherson, Kansas. This classic Cadillac is drivable and has even been used as a daily driver. However, it still requires further restoration. The body is solid, though cosmetic repairs are needed, particularly in the interior, which is due for replacement. The engine has been checked and refreshed with new seals and gaskets and has been repainted with an enamel finish close to the original color. The fuel tank has been removed, though the owner may reinstall it. The carburetor has been restored, and a high-torque starter has been installed. The brake system has been serviced with new brake hoses, new hard lines, and rebuilt wheel cylinders. The original exhaust can be reinstalled, but for now, it features a temporary glass pack exhaust. Number 13. The 1969 Pontiac Grand Prix, priced at $4,500, located in Germantown, Ohio. This is a project car that runs and drives, ready for restoration. The exterior is in gray primer, indicating that it is prepped for a repaint. The black interior is fairly decent, though there is visible wear on the seats. The car is powered by a 404-barrel engine with a TH400 automatic transmission and comes with power steering, PS, power brakes, PB, and air conditioning, AC. It rides on 14-inch rally wheels with good tires and includes a new fuel tank. However, there are some rust issues, particularly on the front frame rails and certain body panels. It has a clean Ohio title, and the seller is not interested in trades but is open to reasonable offers. The car is available on a first-come, first-served basis and must be picked up in person. Number 14. The 1968 Chevrolet Impala, priced at $6,500, located in Lincoln, Nebraska. This is a barn find that has been stored for 40 years. It is still 100% original, including its factory 327 V8 engine paired with a turbo 400 transmission. While it runs and drives, the Quadrajet carburetor needs rebuilding, though the owner already has a rebuild kit. Several key components have been replaced, including a new battery, starter, brakes, and spark plugs with new wires. The structure is very solid, with no holes or major rust issues on the floor or trunk. The frame is also solid, with no concerning rust underneath. The interior is complete, with the seats and dashboard in fairly good shape, though they show some signs of wear due to age. This car has been in the same family since new, making it a great restoration project for classic collectors. It comes with a clean Nebraska title. Number 15. The 1973 Ford Pinto wagon, priced at $1,000, located in Troutdale, Oregon. This is a project car. The body is mostly intact, featuring red paint, but the interior is in rough shape, with worn seats covered in leaves and several loose or missing components. The dashboard is present, but some panels and center console pieces are missing. The engine is still installed and mostly complete, but some wiring and components appear modified or need repairs. The car starts but is not drivable because it needs a new clutch cable, which the owner already has but has not installed. The rear right tire has a leak and can only hold air for about a day. Due to these issues, the car must be towed. Overall, this is a project requiring some mechanical work and interior restoration to become roadworthy again. The owner is also open to trades or barters for the car.